What's the difference between Monster Insights and Google Analytics? Well, that's such a common question that we decided to create a video covering the differences between the two. We're going to take a look at their uses and their benefits. Welcome to Monster Insights, a better way to see your Google Analytics data, allowing you to focus on creating content that will help you grow your website and build your business. Be sure to check out the links that we've left in the description, hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and be part of the conversation. Sometimes people get the idea that Monster Insights and Google Analytics are two separate analytics services, but that's not true. Google Analytics is a web analytics service offered by Google that helps you to understand your website's visitors, while Monster Insights is a powerful, easy-to-use solution for connecting Google Analytics to a WordPress website. Google Analytics is a free web analytics service from Google. It lets you track the traffic that's coming to your site, and it provides useful information about your site and your site's visitors, like the number of people visiting your site, the age, gender, and location of your visitors, the browser, operating system, and devices that they're using, the search engine, social media platforms, advertisements, and referral links being used to arrive at your site, the pages being visited, how long visitors stay on specific pages, and the bounce rate, the most popular pages on your site's loading speed on different browsers and in other countries, and important data about goals, revenue, and conversion rates. Now, while having access to all this information is fantastic, as you might suspect, the challenge is setting up Google Analytics properly on your site. To benefit from all these great insights, you'll most likely need to hire a developer or learn how to write code yourself. Now, the fact is, most business owners want to focus on growing their business, not learn how to code or become an analytics expert. And that's precisely what made Monster Insights so popular. Using Monster Insights, you can connect Google Analytics to your WordPress site with just a few clicks. Now, that's why over 2 million website owners use Monster Insights to connect their WordPress site to Google. Now, let's look at 7 reasons why smart business owners are using Monster Insights. It allows you to easily connect your WordPress site with Google Analytics without hiring a developer or learning to write code. With Monster Insights, setting up Google Analytics on your WordPress site is quick and effortless. All you need to do is create a Google Analytics account and connect it to your WordPress site. Once you do, you'll begin seeing your website reports right on your dashboard. If you need help properly setting up Google Analytics, see the link on your screen or follow the link in the description below. Monster Insights allows you to see all the essential metrics right in your WordPress dashboard. Monster Insights shows specific reports for publishers, e-commerce sites, Search Console, custom dimensions, and more. Monster Insights makes enhanced e-commerce tracking easy. With just a single click, you can start tracking sales from your WooCommerce and easy digital download store, and there's no coding necessary. Monster Insights also shows you overall conversion rates, top performing products, and other useful insights about your store right inside your dashboard. If your website offers file downloads, it's crucial to know whether your users are actually downloading them. By default, Google Analytics does not track downloads, but Monster Insights does and makes it easy to accurately track them. While Google AMP can boost your site rankings, it makes tracking mobile traffic a bit imprecise. But thankfully, Monster Insights created an add-on especially for Google AMP tracking. It lets you track all your mobile visitors to AMP-enabled pages accurately. Forms are essential for almost every business website. Monster Insights Forms add-on allows you to easily track your forms views and conversions. And while the add-on works with all popular WordPress contact forms, it works exceptionally well with WP Forms. Monster Insights also offers other advanced tracking options like affiliate link tracking, author tracking, category tracking, custom post type tracking, and more. And Monster Insights comes with powerful add-ons like the Google Optimize add-on that allows you to integrate Google Optimize with Google Analytics, and the EU Compliance add-on that helps you comply with GDPR and other privacy regulations. And even more importantly, you can install any of these add-ons and enable them with just a couple of clicks of your mouse. So now you know it's not just a matter of one or the other. You need both Google Analytics and Monster Insights to get the valuable analytics that you need on your WordPress site. So if you want to grow your business with confidence, you need to get started with Monster Insights today. Now, why not join more than 2 million professionals using Monster Insights and instantly get the analytics that you need to grow your business? To get a special discount, be sure to check out the link in the description. And to learn more Monster Insights tips, tricks, and techniques, just click on one of the videos that's on your screen now.